Today we'll begin to cover the circulatory system. The circulatory system is a transport system that uses blood to carry nutrients and oxygen to the different cells of the body. It can also carry waste products such as carbon dioxide, which is produced during respiration and exhaled through our lungs. The circulatory system can transport chemical messages such as hormones between cells in different parts of the body. It can also carry special cells and substances that fight diseases. Delivering needed materials. Substances often need to get from one part of the body to another, and they're carried by blood. For example, blood carries oxygen from our lungs to different parts of the body. Blood also carries nutrients absorbed from the small intestine, such as glucose, to other cells in the body to use for energy production. So you can see the circulatory system is often coupled up with other body systems, such as the digestive system, with the example of glucose. For carrying oxygen from our lungs to other cells, that's an example of our respiratory system. Removing waste products. The circulatory system is also called the cardiovascular system. It picks up wastes from cells. So when glucose is eventually broken down by cells, they produce carbon dioxide as a waste product. Carbon dioxide at high levels causes our blood to increase in pH and cause it to be acidic, which can be very harmful. So carbon dioxide is passed from the cells into the blood. The blood then travels to the heart, which is pumped, and then the heart pumps blood into the lungs, and the lungs exhale carbon dioxide, ridding our bodies of this waste product. Blood also has components that help to fight disease. The cardiovascular system transports cells that attack disease-causing microorganisms, such as bacteria, viruses, parasites, protists, you name it. These special cells are called white blood cells. They help us from becoming sick, and they can help to kill infectious microorganisms if we do become sick. So this would be an example of the circulatory system working in tandem with the immune system. The circulatory system can be compared to a highway system. Like all roads that connect all parts of the country, allowing for travel and exchange of goods, our bodies have a highway-like network that links together all parts of the body. Arteries, which are shown in the diagram in red, carry oxygen-rich blood away from the heart to the body's organs and tissues. Veins, which are shown in blue, return oxygen-poor blood to the heart, which will then be pumped to the lungs to be oxygenated, back to the heart, and then throughout the body again, delivering oxygenated blood to our cells. There are three main organs of the circulatory system. They are the heart, blood vessels, and blood. Yes, blood is considered an organ. Now let's take a closer look at the heart. So the heart is the main organ of the circulatory system. It is a hollow muscular organ composed of cardiac muscle. And remember when we talked about the muscular system? Cardiac muscle is involuntary. That means we don't have to think about using it. It automatically keeps pumping throughout our sleep, night and day. And so each time the heart beats, it pushes blood through the blood vessels of the cardiovascular system. It's about the size of your fist and is located in the center of your chest, maybe a little bit to the left. We have a breastplate in front of it, and our rib cage surrounds our heart to act as protection. The heart's structure. The heart has a right side and a left side. These two sides are completely separated by a thick wall of tissue called the septum. It's important that that the left side and the right side are separated because the left side of the heart contains oxygen-rich blood, while the right side of the heart contains oxygen-poor blood. And now each side has two compartments. So the upper chambers are each called an atrium. We have a right atrium and a left atrium. The right atrium is full of oxygen-poor blood, while, damn it,